Hello, this is Sunil Ramakrishna. This is the next part of the language war. So here one person told that he is not a normal person. He is not a normal person. So here one person told entire India country might be dumped in one person. That is not possible basically. Because human basically, normal human basically, Earth planet can't take up to this much energy basically. Because that is getting processed basically in the body basically. So here basically one of the person told that the person basically who is BJP basically, BJP blood cells, with CT data basically he might be processing. He also might be processing some data basically. But his age basically might not be 2000, 3000. So one person told that yes, yeah, basically, that also possible basically. But he is processing some data basically. So one person told that yes, basically he is processing some human data basically. It might be the entire BJP. The person basically who are into the BJP, I think that basically around 2 lakh BJP people basically are there. BJP means BJP workers basically. So their data basically is processing in that BJP blood cells. In that BJP blood cells. Same way Congress basically. Congress is older than the BJP. So their data, one more the person basically told, the person, for example, 3 lakh people basically are there in BJP. They basically can't meet that BJP blood cells. Why? There are reasons basically. They can't meet the doctor basically of BJP. For example, that person basically is BJP. So you can't meet that doctor basically. So it's a restriction area basically. And nobody basically might not be knowing this concept also basically. So next basically.